Put the pot on and let it heat up, and then you add some oil. I already showed you how to season the chicken curry neck. The curry neck was marinated overnight, and I'm about to show you how to cook it down now. Add enough oil because I don't think I'm going to be using any Irish to thicken the gravy of this. So be careful when you're adding the chicken because the oil is so hot. Cover and let it draw on its own natural juices. Turn to medium flame or medium heat. Then I'm going to turn it now. It's been cooking up on its own for a little bit. And the reason I'm not using Irish because I need to use oil so that I can make a little bit extra gravy, because I'm going to be eating this with some dumplings, and that video will soon be out. It's cooking up very nicely, and we'd rather when things cook on somewhat of a medium or low heat. I'm gonna now reduce this to cover it and then reduce it to low heat, and then I'm gonna be adding some water if it hasn't drawn in its own natural juices. A few minutes later, and it's still on low heat and it's cooking up nicely, drawing on its own juices. I'm just going to let that continue on. Now after this, now I'm going to have to taste for salt, but I'm going to allow it to cook to a certain degree first before I taste it for salt, because I don't want salmonella poisoning. Up to the point now where I can taste for salt. I'm going to taste for salt, and it's already drawn on its natural juices. You can see there, coming on nicely, drawn on its own natural juices. And I'm just going to taste for salt and then add some water. Yes, it needs a little bit more salt. So for that added salt, I'm going to put a little bit of garlic salt. And stir. Then taste again. I'm going to taste again for salt. I'm going to take just a tad bit more of salt. I'm using the garlic salt here. I'm now going to add some water to this. And this is the container that we seasoned it in. I'm just going to pour the water in. And always pour the water in only to the sides, because you don't want to, after you have, even though this is curry, but you don't want to wash the color really off the meat, so you usually put the water in to the side. And then you're going to cover and let it cook up again. And you can tweak it to your taste. If you want to add a little bit more seasonings, you can go ahead. I think I'm going to add a little bit more pimento to this. I'm adding a little bit more thyme. Normally we'd use the natural thyme, but I just have some dried thyme here now, so I'm adding a little bit more. Also going to be adding a little bit of pimento. A little bit more pimento. And stir. Yes, and you have to watch your water content, because as I told you, we're going to be eating this, or I'm going to be eating this with some dumplings, and I want enough gravy to eat up with that dumpling, and it's tasting really nice. Now at this point too, you can also add a little bit more seasonings, onion, whatever, if you want to, but if not, you don't have to. Cover it and let it boil up again. These meats nowadays, I don't know what's happening with it. As soon as I poured in the water and started to boil up, it's getting this, like this froth. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if this happens to anybody else. It's like this froth on the top of the chicken. I don't know. These meats are probably adding all kind of stuff, and you just try to buy the organic type meat. I don't know. Just don't like that at all. The meat should not be frothing. Look at that. What are we eating? At this point, I'm going to be adding a little bit of a chopped onion. This will also help to kind of thicken the gravy. Yeah, it's done, and it is so tasty. And watch out for the next video, where I'm going to show you the kind of dumpling that I'm going to eat or devour with this delicious jerk curry chicken neck. That's delicious. Okay, it's done. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.